welcome back to my channel. This is Eric with Confessions of a Homeschooler. So today I have the September Sew Sampler unboxing to do for you guys today. If you are unfamiliar with Sew Sampler, it's a monthly subscription box put out by Fat Quarter Shop. It's $24.95 a month plus shipping, and it comes full of fun sewing and quilting notions, goodies, fabric patterns, you name it. It's in this box. Let's see what's in this month's box. So first off, we've got our theme for the month, and it is sweet as cherry pie. Super cute. On the back of this, they have sweet deals. You can get 30% off the double wide Dresden book, Dresden Ruler, and it looks like buy both and you get a free mini Dresden keychain. Super cute. Okay, and then inside this box we have our little guide as to what's in here, so I'm going to set this aside and go through it with you as we go. Okay, so the first thing in our box is this cute little Dresden Ruler. Hopefully you can see with the glare, but it is the double wide 4-patch Dresden template by Me and My Sister Designs, and it is going to help you create the project that is included in this box, and it's to be used with 5-inch squares. And these little lines, if you can see the crisscross lines on here, show you where to line it up on the fabric so that you get a look, and I'll kind of show you what that looks like in a little bit. But anyways, cute little Dresden Ruler in there. And that retailed for $9.98. All right, our next thing is a 28mm stick rotary cutter. All right, so this one is by Fiskars. It retails for $9.98. And I don't know if you guys have used these blades before, but they're really nice. They flow really smoothly, and then you use this little guy right here to pop up the blade and put it down so that you don't cut yourself when you're not using it. All right, I'm gonna save the fun fabric for last. The next thing in here is the Cherry Pickin table runner pattern, and this is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. This retails for $9.98, and they have a block tutorial on their YouTube channel. There's a link for it in the little description insert that they have in here, but it's super cute, and you will use your Dresden ruler to make these little Dresdens, and I'll kind of show you what it looks like here on the inside. But it shows you how to patchwork it together, and then you place the Dresden ruler on there so that you cut them so that you get these fun little Dresdens that look like you went to a lot of trouble, but they're actually pretty easy. That's one of the things I love about Fat Quarter Shop. Their patterns are usually really easy to do, and this one is no exception, even though it's a Dresden. And Dresdens are actually quite easy. They're probably one of my more fun blocks to make, and this pattern is nice and colorful. Instructions are simple and easy to follow, and it is 14.5 inches by 42.5 inch table runner. Okay, so we can go ahead and look at the fabric now, and I'll probably take this apart so you can see it a little bit better. But this is the Bada-Bing Charm Pack by Me and My Sister's Designs for Moda. It includes 42 5-inch squares of their Bada-Bing line. Super cute, and I'll kind of try and flick through this for you. But there's some cherries and some ginghams. There's another gingham. Flowers. These are hard to take apart, guys, sorry. Some reds. Dots. And this cute little cherry print on the very front. And that also comes with the backing and I believe the binding. It's the Cherry Pickin finishing kit. And so the 5-inch squares retail for $9.98, and then the finishing kit, which is the binding and then the background fabric, is also retailing for $12.37. So super cute bundle of fabric in this month's box. Okay, and then the last thing in here is our monthly barn block. This is block number 6. Super cute block. I think I've mentioned before, I'm kind of hanging on to these, but these are nice thick cardstock blocks, and I'm just kind of piling them all up, and then I do plan to make this quilt when I'm done because the blocks so far have been super cute. I just haven't decided what fabrics I'm going to use yet, so I'm thinking about either going with a gray and black kind of motif to put in our bedroom. It's a little more neutral up there, or doing a really fun colorful one. I don't know. Are you guys doing this? If so, leave me a comment below if you're picking kind of more neutral tones or if you're going to do a really colorful one. Also, if you want, send me some pictures so I can kind of see what you guys have going on, or tag me on Instagram or something like that if you guys are already making these, because I would love to see kind of the different varieties of blocks that you can get from these. All right guys, so this is everything that's in the box here. So we've got the barn block recipe card, which retails for $4.98. We've got the finishing, cherry pickin' finishing kit, which retails for $12.37. The Me and My Sisters double wide 4-patch Dresden template, which is $9.98. The Bada-Bing charm back, also $9.98. The Fiskars Rotary trimmer, 28 millimeters, also $9.98. And then the cherry picking quilt pattern, which is $9.98. And that gives us a total of $57.27. And this is one of the Sew Sampler members received this item first. I believe that means that we are getting it before it's available in their shop. This pattern is also a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive pattern, and so is the recipe barn block. Alright guys, so that is what is in the September 2018 Sew Sampler box. I think my favorite products right now are the fabric. Super cute fabric. I really am loving gingham fabric lately. It's one of my new favorites, and so I'm excited to have that. And this charm pack is really super cute and colorful, and I don't think I'm going to do the Dresdens. Maybe I will. I don't know. I haven't decided yet, but for some reason I'm feeling I want to do something a little more patchworky with this. Haven't decided yet, but make sure you're following me on my Instagram account, because when I do make something, that is where I post everything. Anyways, these are my favorite products. Make sure to leave a comment below on what your favorite products are in this month's box. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave them below and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for hanging out and watching with me today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you next time.